right, Sean, let's get a little update on our wonderful Emerald Red ZHP S54 swap.
So we got the engine in, wiring's all done, everything's all bolted up, trans, fresh bushings everywhere, new hoses and lines. Of course, you guys saw us do the Vanos and the bearings and all of that before we dropped the engine in. So that's all done, just waiting on the DME and cluster from Castle, and then we can get this baby fired up and start doing donuts.
The perfect M3 sedan conversion.
Yep.
It's already the perfect spec ZHP, now it's just even better. How do you feel so far about the ease of this one versus Dan's wagon?
Oh, well, it was pretty straightforward. Dan added a whole bunch of complexity onto his that was unnecessary work for everybody involved.
Dave's a planner. We all love a planner. So this guy...
No, Dave listened to Sean this time. Dan did not listen to Sean.
If you want your work done properly, listen to Sean. That's the moral of the story here. But yeah, it's almost ready for donuts, like Sean said. And hopefully, maybe one day we can convince Dave to sell it. Probably to me. I'll trade him an M Coupe. We'll see.
All right, question of the week. What is the worst BMW color? Sean.
Dan.
What's the worst BMW color?
Laguna Seca.
Because it looks like
Viagra Blue.
Viagra Blue. There we go. John.
Yeah, beige.
Beige?
Yeah, anything beige.
Beige and predictable.
You're
there we
right.
go.
You're right. Okay,
I'm gonna
with
get.
you on that.
I might get flamed on for this, but sorry, you F80 dudes. Secure orange. Secure orange. Horrific. Looks
Orange
like
baby poop.
Looks like post. You like secure orange? Yeah. It looks like post Taco Bell. Like the morning after Taco Bell diarrhea.
How much bush water did you have when you was Taco Bell?
It looks like my 9 months old doo-doo, man. All right, question of the week. Daniel! What is the worst color BMW has made?
We're gonna go with urban green. You can find it on some of the M5s. It looks like a booger.
Looks like doo-doo.
It literally.
It looks like Toyota.
Well, this is
400.
on an M3 right here, so we have an F80 M3, and Jay, you can overdub this stuff. But urban green legitimately looks like a booger.
Do you have another one, Sean? Don't say Phoenix yellow. I'll punch you. I'll punch you square in the.
Austin yellow.
Austin yellow?
Austin yellow is terrible.
That's a good runner-up. Let's go find Dan. Worst BMW color made?
Pyrite brown.
Yes.
Absolutely.
John and Pedro went with the tan. Yeah, beige and predictable. Awful. Why would you order an M car in Dookie Espresso Brown?
Literally. Dookie espresso.
Why?
That's the color.
Why?
You know, the first one that comes to mind, Atlantis Blue. Not it. Bad. Real bad. Too girly. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but like,
Yeah.
just not my thing. Too turquoisey, too bright.
You've owned Boston Green,
Fern green.
Fern Green. This man has
Couple
owned-
silvers.
Yeah. This man has owned some choice BMW colors.
Good colors only.
That's right.
Good colors only. Out of curiosity, what did Sean say?
Sean said Austin yellow, and I know. We are ready.
Yellow.
Team Phoenix yellow.
Yes, but Austin is real good too. I don't
then-
want to hear any comments saying either of those colors.
He said Laguna Seca blue.
So, okay, first off, overrated Laguna Seca Blue. Yes.
Feel it down in my plums.
I feel it down in my plums.
That hurts.
I can see how Laguna Seca is overrated. It's
Yeah.
a good color.
Yeah.
Is it worth the price that people ask for Laguna Seca cars?
I said secure orange.
I love Secure.
No.
Dude,
Secure or Valencia orange?
What?
Which one would you take?
Oh, Valencia all day.
Thank you.
But like Secure is so good. I think the F80 launch colors were awesome. I don't know, man. I think that's a pretty wild
Jay?
answer.
What's that purple one?
Techno Violet?
Techno Violet.
Is the worst?
Terrible. Terrible.
I'm sorry, you gotta go.
Don't come out and say it. Me and John here, we follow the great sports of Supercross and Motocross, and I think Jet Lawrence is about to, I don't think he's gonna go undefeated. But I think Jet Lawrence, he's gonna dominate. He's gonna dominate. John, what's your thoughts on Jet, man? You know, outdoors.
I think he's a really good rider. I think he's the fastest one out there. I think if he doesn't crash, he's gonna take the championship. Do I want him to win? No.
What do you guys think? Like, you guys in it, like, do you want Jet to win? You know, we get to see Hunter outdoors on the 450. I haven't really heard anyone mention that. So, but Hunter on the 250s had nothing for Jet, really.
No.
So,
I
don't know, dude.
I don't know. It's gonna be
everyone's writing it off already, but you never know. You said it though, if he crashes, if he gets hurt, it's happened to everybody.
yeah, it has.
So-
And he does sometimes push the envelope, so
He
I
does.
think,
Doesn't get a good
if
start.
he does do something, if for whatever reason Anderson's in front of him or Sexton, and he goes down, like
Yeah.
trying to catch him,
Yeah.
it could potentially ruin him. But right now he's got, Webb's
Yeah.
not gonna be in the first couple of
No,
rounds.
no Tomac. That was our
Tomac's
best chance
not gonna-
again. So that's disappointing. Really disappointing. That killed me to know Tomac was gonna be out. Okay, Webb, he's okay, but Tomac. So
I kind of don't even like. I'm
you
more
gonna watch
interested in the 250 class at this point, just
dude,
because, like,
yes. I said that, yes. For 250 Supercross, I wasn't really into it, but motocross?
I was really into the Supercross this year, and the 250 class I thought was
Yeah.
the funnest to watch.
Don't make fun of this sport, Daniel. You're already on thin ice with the E38, dude.
I used to ride this sport.
I rode a Bull Taco back in the day. Nothing.
I'm pulling for Deegan. I'm pulling for Deegan.
I'd like to see Deegan win.
Yeah.
But there's so many fast guys in the 250 class.
It
it's
is.
so
Kitchen's
stacked.
good too. It's gonna be exciting. Yeah, what do you guys think? You guys follow Motocross, Supercross? Let us know in the comments.
Thank you all for watching. If you guys like what you saw, please like, comment, subscribe, and follow us. We'll catch you next time. I hate being HR director.